All right, we're back. Check this thing out. I have just found out about these things. Do you guys know about these? The battery-operated liquid transfer pumps. They sell at the old affordably priced Chinese superstore known as Harbor Freight. So they got a parking lot sale going on right now, and I was like, oh man, I love me a parking lot sale. What are they selling now that I don't have one of? And like I was digging through their thing, making the Christmas wish list of shit that I don't need. And I saw this, and I was like, "What is that? Let's watch some YouTube videos on it." And there's a lot of videos of people. There's a lot of videos on the internet of people timing how long it takes this to transfer liquids. So I'm like, count me in. So bear with me now. We're gonna pull this bad boy out. We're gonna take a look at it. We're not gonna be doing any timed pumps because I don't even have any batteries in this thing. But here it is. Look at that. So the way this works, kids. You got this underwhelmingly flimsy plastic pipe, but what you do is you stick this in the old, the bucket of gas, and then you stick that in the old, what you want the gas to go into, and then you flip that guy there, and it just goes, meh. And what I saw on the interwebs was you add a little hose on this thing, and you no longer have to pick your gas cans up. You leave your gas can on earth. What does it say? May be tested without fluid for no more than 10 seconds. Oh my God. Do not return to store if label is removed. Oh man. This label is questionable. Look at this label. Are we nervous about that? Do not return to store. What? Apparently, they don't like you to return it when there's gasoline in it. But this thing, I've seen people pump oil with these, and they run on big batteries, D cells, if you will. But well, let me just lightly lay this down. I may have a piece of hose just laying around here. Let me exit stage left here. What is this old nasty hose? Will that fit in there? Oh, it's close. This is a little bit thick. When I saw guys take a hose similar to this, and he just stuck it on there, and then you have an infinite like wand of like wherever you want to go. The old codger in that video, he just left his gas can sitting in the back of the truck, dropped this in the old can, and then he was filling farm tractors with diesel fuel. I think they make these in different colors. I mean, obviously this is red, but like my initial reactions to this here item is like, I don't feel as though this is like super duper high quality. It doesn't strike me as a thing you'd want to like drop, or you definitely couldn't drive over it or abuse it, but they're not that expensive. It's actually got a little bit of a metal ring there. It's for the contact on the battery. So, I mean, God, if I can get a year out of this thing and not have to pick a fuel can up to like fill my lawnmower. If I could just stick that in the old lawnmower and just hit the button and just fill the lawnmower and not have to spill gas all over the entire thing, I think that's the best couple of bucks I ever spent in my life. Let's look at the whole thing here. I mean, if you came to see this video, then congratulations. As far as I can tell, they're fairly quick. I mean, I'm not sure if there's a time element on this thing. Talks about it. I know if you're interested, there's lots of people pumping liquid. Yeah. 6 quarts per minute. I mean, I guess if you're that short on time, you probably got someone to pump your gas for you already. So, the hose diameter. I don't know if I have a measuring tape around here. That's actually, it's about 1/2 inch, give or take the squeeze on it. So if you had some 1/2 inch tubing, you could just slide that in there. There is a little ring for retention, and it's yeah, that's the end of picking up gas cans. If you're having an issue picking up gas cans, I know some of us as we get older, it's getting harder and harder to pick the old gallon of gas up. So that may be a solution for you. I'm gonna give it a try here in the spring, but there you go. Unboxing. Stay safe.